Hi there. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a draft NFT collection in seconds on Binance Smart Chain. You can see I'm actually connected to the wallet up here, but you don't need to be. That's for another thing I'll show you in a future video. So to actually draft this NFT collection, you can just go to one of these forms. NFT Marketing is the one I'm on. You can do the same thing under Integrate NFTs. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give the NFT collection a name. So I'll call this my BSC NFT, and why don't we give that a super easy symbol, BNFT, and of course we're going to choose then BSC as the chain we want to use. We'll give it a description. This is my first BSC NFT collection, and we'll choose a cap. Now what a cap is if you want to restrict the number of NFTs that could ever be created in this collection. So let's say 20. And that's kind of all the information you need to draft the collection. We're going to go a step further inside it and actually work with some of the NFTs that would be minted in that collection. And so I'm going to start by using a simple use case would be where you create some NFTs and they can be replicated, and then they're randomized as in terms of, 3 of this one, 3 of another one, 3 of another one, 1 of another one, let's say something like that. And so what we can do is we can create that first, NFT template, and we're going to call that, darker logo. And we can do then a description of darker version. In more complicated contracts, these NFTs can, of course, be unique. You can do that with this one as well. But then they can have attributes. It could be randomized attributes. There's all kinds of things you can do in a more complicated contract. But this is a fully featured NFT anyway. So you have a name and a description. And here we talked about that randomness weight. I'm just going to give it a 1 so that if I give another one with 1, they would then be equally distributed. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a lighter version. Again, I can crop this if I want. And I'm going to call this the lighter version, lighter logo, and a lighter version. As mentioned, I will give it a randomness weight of 1 and click done. And so now I have actually a collection and its first, kind of NFTs. And when I click save, you can see that I've now got this under my progress, and that's it. Not more complicated than that. So hopefully this has given a good insight into how easy it is to go ahead and create an NFT collection on Binance Smart Chain using the Idexo app. As mentioned, you can go further. We can give you more complicated templates that you can use in your account. And actually, when you're then ready to deploy that, if you have a paid account, you just hit submit here, and it will actually deploy the contract onto Binance Smart Chain. If you have created some NFTs within it, mint the NFTs by putting the images on a decentralized storage, putting the metadata file on decentralized storage, and actually embedding those metadata into each NFT that gets minted. So super simple to do it. It took us a few minutes. If we weren't explaining it, it would take us a few seconds. So hope you enjoyed. You learned, how to create an NFT collection here on the app, and look forward to seeing you using the app in the future.